Hi, welcome to VictoryXR's virtual fetal pig dissection. We will increase the scale of the fetal pig to about the size of an adult pig. Select the correct term. Nice work. The head contains many sensory structures as well as structures involved in respiration and digestion. Let me introduce my friend Stan the skeleton. During your examination of the pig's skeleton, check out the homologous bones on Stan to see how we compare. They will highlight along with the pig's bones, the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and caudal vertebrae. They do, however, have more vertebrae than From the larynx, air moves down into the trachea. Here it forks into two main bronchi, which each connect to a lung. Look at this new diagram. You can see why this network of small tubes within the lungs is referred to as the bronchial tree. You will see another tube just dorsal to it.